In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Audio-Technica LP60X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Audio-Technica LP60X, you will be able to easily set it up and connect it to other Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth soundbars, and so on. Any device that supports Bluetooth will be able to be connected directly to your Audio-Technica device. So in order to do this, first set up pairing mode on the devices that you want to connect. So in these examples here, I have a standard speaker and then a soundbar. Both of these support Bluetooth, which, like I mentioned, is the only critical thing. So as long as they support Bluetooth, you will be able to put them into pairing mode, and you will be doing the same with the Audio-Technica device. So all that you have to do to start is to press any respective pairing mode button. So for this soundbar, it is on the remote, and for this speaker that I have selected, it is just a physical touch on this pairing Bluetooth button. This is going to differ for every single device, so to keep it simple, check the manual for your specific set of speakers and see how to enter pairing mode. Once you have entered pairing mode with the speakers, you just have to do the same with the actual Audio-Technica turntable. So all that you have to do now is press the Bluetooth button that you see on the LP60X. Just like the other devices that you are connecting, this one will also go into pairing mode, and once both devices are in pairing mode, they will connect between themselves. The best way to ensure that this works is to make sure that there is no interference. So if your phone has Bluetooth enabled, turn it off momentarily. If your TV has Bluetooth capabilities, turn it off momentarily, and so on. By ensuring that the devices are in close proximity and you put both of them into pairing mode, this should work. I recommend doing the order of first putting the speakers into pairing mode and then the Audio-Technica. However, you can try the opposite if that doesn't work at first. So first set the Audio-Technica device and then the other speaker. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Audio-Technica LP60X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.